One morning you dropped your phone. Now you're stranded. Oh my God, what do I do? What do I do? My phone is damaged and I urgently need it to be repaired. The screen is not touching. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Let's get started. Phones. So do this. You just run your finger by the edge and it will come out. So next we have to remove the battery. You now pour a home dry on the battery, underneath the battery, and you gently pull it. Yeah, the battery is now out. Now you can remove the screen. To remove the screen, you just grab it by here and you pull it. Yeah, now your whole screen is gone. So you have to clean this glue so that you don't break your next screen. So let's get started. It's now clean. So you make sure there is nothing on the edges, no glue, no glass, so that you protect your new screen. So now you can comfortably install the new screen. So what do? Place a thin layer of glue here on the edges. So you avoid the proximity sensor. Here's the proximity sensor. So you come and put it around here again. So now it's ready. Yeah, perfect. There is no uplift, there is nothing. We are good to proceed.
It's on. As it turns on, you can be closing up the other parts. This is how you test the phone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let it start first. Okay, first you go to the dial pad. So you touch all the corners of the screen. Yeah, it touches well. Yeah, then you leave it for 10 seconds. It should not self-touch. So it's not self-touching, so you go to brightness, see whether it adjusts well. Capture that. See, there is no flickering. So make sure there is no flickering. Yeah, you have now successfully replaced the screen for Samsung A10. You can now remove this. It's good as new.